Another question that we want to be able to answer is what z-scores will correspond to a middle certain percent of the data. So for example, the middle 90% of the data. So what we're asking is what z-score goes here and then its opposite over here so that you've got 90% of the data in the middle right there. So in other words, this yellow area here and here is 90% of the data. So 0.9. So this is also related to the inverse norm function. So remember with inverse norm, to find a z-value, you specify the left area. So we want to know what is the area that's to the left of that z-score. Well, 90% of the area is in the middle, so that leaves 10% of the area to go in these two tails, and half of 10% is 5%. So there has to be 5% of the area here in this little tail, and then 5% of the area here on the left in this little tail. So that means whatever this z-score is, we've got 90 plus 5 more, 95% of the area, or 95% of the data are to the left. So that z-value is going to be the inverse norm and then you specify the left area. So the area to the left of it is 0.95, not the 0.90. So let's go ahead and enter that into the calculator. So this will be second variables, inverse norm, and then we want 0.95. Wait, I think I got the wrong one here. Second variables, inverse norm is number 3. One more time. Second variables, inverse norm is 3. There we go. 0.95 is our left area. We leave 0, 1, and left tail. So arrow down, paste, enter 1.6448. So approximately 1.645. And so this z is 1.645. And then this one's going to be negative 1.645. Because this is a symmetric distribution, so these have to be the same distance on each side. So that's how you find a middle fixed percentage of the data.